Hi guys, in previous lesson we have finished our tests for endpoints, and we have one problem with code copy. So let's create assert response for our code else assert response t API test case expected data and response assert response func assert response t testing t expected interface response body ref byte byte. Okay, if expected not nil, expected data will be decode expected actual data decode response body, and let's compare expected and actual. So if equal data JSON div compare expected data and actual data. I will use JSON div compare from lgris in github.com. So for actual data, if actual data not equal, return assert fail, t string JSON div format equal data, and the message expected and actual are not equal, and return true if equal. If not equal and if not expected, assert empty t string response body expected empty response. Assert I use testify stretch in GitHub. So this look like okay. Let's create a decode expected and decode response function. Function decode expected and function decode response. So decode response and decode expected will have interface. The response. So let's create decode response data map of map string and the interface if JSON and Marshall data and data map are not new, return data map else, return string of data. Data will be our input byte. Okay. For decoder expected, we'll write if decoder that object to JSON map data nil, return decoder, also return data, and data will be interface. So interface. So that's why we need to first of all convert our interface to JSON map. So let's create function JSON map object of interface object interface and map of string interface error data error JSON Marshall object. If error not nil, return nil error. Result map of string and interface. Okay, and then error JSON and Marshall data and res return res error. Okay, I think that's all. Let's stop and start our main. It works, and now we can remove this asset response from our tests, and let's run again, go test, and as you can see we have the error expected and actual are not equal error. So numbers 2, 3, 5. Expected data will have 2, 3, 5, 7 expected. Those number expected, and so let's check again our test runner. What could be wrong? If not, we go to assert response, expected data, response body, IP test case. Okay, then assert response interface, expected data, actual data, decode response, equal data, compare expect actual. If not is equal, return assert fail, test entry, equal, return true, set empty. Decode expected data interface. If decoded error object map equal me, return decoded, return data, JSON to object interface, map austin interface error, data JSON Marshall object. So map interface, JSON unmarshal data race, and decode response data bait interface, map string of interfaces, unmarshal data of error. If error, decode response nil. Okay, so now we have successfully finished. So let's change some values, for example, like this, and we have a clear understanding that error should be in this after 13 should be 21 because expected 31. So let's okay, everything worked fine. Thank you. Bye guys.